Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's a new day. It's a new place, guys. Here in Batangas City. Okay, so gising lang namin, guys. So, kape-kape muna tayo, guys. Bago ang survey na naman. So, dito kami, guys, sa Lemery, Batangas. Tour ko kayo ng saglit dito sa aming accommodation. So, meron silang playground. So, napaka-probinsya. So, yan. May playground sila na kompleto. Yun. And may swimming pool. So, yun. Swimming pool. And may whole court sila. Basketball court. And doon naman sa baba may hanging bridge. Maliit. Tapos may fish pond. Ayan o, guys. Napaka simpleng lugar. So yan yung entrance. This way to found and hanging bridge. So yan, sarado kaya di tayo pwede pumasok. Ayan yung hanging bridge nya. And fish pond na maliit. And yun. So yun, bali may ano pa sila doon, nasa bahay na nasa puno. So dito din sa gilid, nandito yung full court. Yan, and may up and down na house. So almusal muna tayo, guys. And mamaya magsa-survey na kami. So dito gagawin lang pala namin is magla-lidar. Puro lang kami drone. So kailangan lang nila ng GCP at pati. So babay muna, guys. At maliligo at mag-aalmusal muna ang mga utoy. Salamat sa panonood ng aking mini vlogs. Bye-bye!